right, I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna, you can quarter or half them. I like to quarter them just because I like to get the seasoning over all of it. So I'm gonna sit here and quarter them. So I'm gonna do the whole little snap thing. So it looks like it's just miraculously done. All right, I'm gonna put the potatoes in the bowl. Hopefully I got a big enough bowl. I may not have. It holds them all, but it's not going to make it very easy to mix up. So let me get a bigger one. All right, let's try this again. All right, there. That'll be easier to toss them around. All right, let's get some stuff. Get some stuff. All right, and for this, I'm just keeping it simple. So this is one that you can either spray or open it up and pour. This is olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want though. Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse. Actually, I don't even think I've opened this one yet. I think it's brand new. I was like, why ain't it coming out? This was a good flavor. We've used it on steak and potatoes, and it's so good. And asparagus. So good. I'm not measuring. Measure with your heart. And if it don't look seasoned enough, I'll throw some more on. This is just a little garlic powder. I don't remember needing a bunch of salt. I'll just add a little bit, but now I love black pepper. That looks good. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. And I may just do this on a sheet pan because it's so easy. I can fry them up on the stove. I do love that as well, but it's also good in the oven on a sheet pan. Baked just like this, just spreading it out on parchment paper. So I'm getting a little wore out. I'm gonna have to let my oven do my work for me. All right, I'll come back. Oh wait, let me show you. Looks good, huh? I need to learn to smile as I do that instead of looking like I'm struggling holding. All right, I can hear my coleslaw. I can hear my cabbage back there browning. Then every few minutes I'm gonna have to go and flip it around so that it don't get too burnt. Okay, oh, some Kaneka sausage. And I'm fixing to cut this up. Let me do the whole. Let me get back over here and check on that cabbage. All right, guys, I got my oven heating up to 350, and I'm just gonna give it a couple little squirts, even though all this is coated in olive oil. You want to try to get them in as full, as much of a single layer as you possibly can. They'll just cook better. About halfway through the cooking, you'll give them a nice little toss. And you'll just go by when they look done. Usually it's about 30 to 45 minutes. I hope do y'all like potatoes? We love potatoes around here. You can't go wrong with a good old roasted potato. Or fried on the stove, either one, but I'm gonna let my oven do the work this time. All right, we're putting these in a 350-degree oven, and we're gonna bake them for 30 minutes, give them a little toss, and do an additional 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the level of golden brown that they will be. Okay, I'm doing the potatoes in the oven, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these in here. It's done. That's what it does. And then I'll capture the grease down here to use it for a different time. Alright, so I just pulled these out of the oven. After 30 minutes, I'm going to give them a little toss and stick them right back in. Alright guys, just took these out of the oven. And I'm convincing Travis to do a taste test for me. He said he might do it. I know he don't love to be on camera, but somebody asked me the other day about if he eats my food. So I figured we'd show y'all that he actually does eat the food. I'm Vanna White.
Yeah.
Travis is loving this.
Yeah, man.
I did fix him a plate here, guys.
She did.
Look, and I'm sure he's not the only one that eats mustard with his sausage.
Yep, love mustard on my sausage.
The other day somebody asked about him never being on video, and I was like, Travis ain't one to be like on the video.
Yeah.
He supports me.
Yeah, all the time. She feeds me all the time. Keeps me healthy.
All right, tell me what
All
you
right,
think.
tell you what you think. It's great.
Animal.
Excellent. Oh yeah.
I've been sitting here. I'm like, if I keep waiting, trying to convince him, I'm gonna sit here and eat all these potatoes. How about some of my cabbage? You want to try it?
I don't know.
Oh no.
I can't do cabbage.
But look here.
He does look good, but
Remember the cabbage from your Christmas party at work?
Mm-hmm.
Does it not look
It
very,
does.
very good?
Yep.
Looks
Yep.
very close to
Yep.
it. She told me that his wife, and she said the key was bacon grease. So when I thought I was done, I added another little dabble, and that's the best pot I've made yet. You sure you don't want to taste any?
Mm.
You might like it.
I might, but I really like this. I know I like this.
Look at our dinner date right here in front of the stove. We didn't even take the time to move to a table. We're just eating right here in front of the stove.
Heidi eating straight off the pan, and I'm eating out of the plate.
I don't even have a plate. I could make me a plate because I want my cabbage, my sausage, and my potatoes all together.
It's good.
Look here, when I hear that he'll get on video, you know, I just take what I can get. I don't have to have a perfect setting. I have the perfect man. We love y'all.
Yep. I hope y'all have a good day.
All right, y'all. I decided to do a taste test of mine where I could mix it all together like I wanted.
Really good, Heidi.
Thank you. I do better earlier in the day it is, so that's why I like to try to get my videos done earlier.
Good. This is my second helping, if you couldn't tell.
Yes, y'all. So this is delicious. Ham chunks instead of the sausage, if you had that, whatever. You could cook this all in one pan if you had people that liked.
And cheap to make.
Oh yeah, a head of cabbage wasn't but like $2 and something.
Mm-hmm.
The potatoes are $3 and something. Sausage, I don't remember. Probably, I'll just say $5-ish. Now that's 2 bags of potatoes because we will eat on that, but that'll be multiple meals.
Yep.
So.
Today and tomorrow.
We're gonna sit here and have our dinner date. We love y'all again.